you feel comfortable, ask him to canter. Come on, buddy, you can do it. There you go. Almost. Don't let him hit the reins. Claire's getting wet. Come on, buddy. There, good, Jordan. Try going the other way. There you go. Fly, baby, fly. Yep. Good. All right, come on in, Claire.